Hello everyone. In this video we are going to be doing an example of how to use Excel to make pie charts. Okay, so we have this survey and let's go ahead and copy our data. So bring our data from MyOpenMath and take it over to Excel. And then the first thing that we actually need to do is we're going to make ourselves a frequency table using our pivot tables. So let's just go ahead and click Insert. Let's go to Pivot Table. I have my data selected and the location where I want it. Let's go click on and put it just in C. And I'm going to click OK. Click on marital status and then drag marital status down to the values. And now I have my data here. Okay, so I'm done playing with my pivot table. But now what I can do is I can copy or highlight my pivot table. I can go to Insert and then click on a pie chart and I can select which type I want. And I'm going to select this 2D pie chart. And check this out. It's going to give me the counts and it gives me the marital statuses. Now, one thing that I can do is I can add things to this pie chart. If I click plus, I can do like data labels, and let's go down. And so we have some counts here. And so they're doing just the counts. We could do things like percentages if we want. Let's go to more options. And instead of the value, we can click on the percentages. And we have now the percentages of all of these. And we can change the order. Let's say if we want to go by like, let's sort A to Z. Or we can sort, let's go the other direction, Z to A. And it kind of rearranges things. Anyhow, like this is how we can do this. Now we can also change the name of this and we can just call this like marital status. And now we've made ourselves a handy dandy pie chart. Okay, so we can go ahead and select the one that best fits, and it's going to be this guy right here. 30% or 33% are married. We have 20% are separated, and we could match up the rest of these as well. Okay, which marital status is most likely for this survey? And we can look at this, the biggest piece of the pie, and the biggest percentage was married. And so we can just go click married, and there we go. So that's how we can use Excel to create our pie chart. So first thing, copy the data over. Second thing, create a pivot table, and then we can insert in a pie chart. All right, best of luck to you guys.